Have you ever felt your ear is blocked, sounds feel dull, or you keep feeling like something is stuck inside your ear? Many people immediately think, I need to clean my ear with a cotton bud. But did you know earwax is actually protective and wrong cleaning can damage your ear? Today, I will explain what earwax really is, when it's normal, when it becomes a problem, and how to remove it safely. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I am Dr. Ahmed Raza and welcome back to my channel HealthMatrix. In today's video, we will talk about earwax, also called cerumen, a small thing that causes big problem if misunderstood. Earwax is a natural substance produced by glands in the ear canal. It may look unpleasant, but it actually has important functions. Earwax protects the ear from dust and insects. It also prevents the bacterial and fungal infections. Earwax keeps the ear canal moisturized. So, yes, the earwax is normal and healthy. Problems start when the earwax accumulates and becomes hard. Common reasons include using cotton buds regularly, narrow ear canals, wearing earphones or hearing aids, old age or dry wax type. Cotton bud don't remove the wax, they push it deeper, causing the blockage. You may have earwax impaction if you experience feeling of blocked ear, reduced hearing, ear pain or discomfort, ringing in the ear, also known as tinnitus, dizziness, itching or mild discharge. Keep in mind, if the pain or discharge is severe, always consult a doctor. Let's clear some common myths. Dirty ears mean more wax? No. Wax production is natural, not due to hygiene. Cotton buds are safe? No. They are the number one cause of wax impaction. Earwax should be removed regularly. No. The most ears clean themselves naturally. Safe ways to remove the earwax. At home, only if there is a mild blockage, use the wax softening drops like soda glycerine, olive oil, 2 to 3 drops once or twice daily for 3 to 5 days. Do not use these drops if you have ear pain, any discharge, or history of eardrum perforation. At clinic, the best and safest way to treat the earwax by ear syringing by a professional ENT specialist. Suction removal, instrument removal under vision. Never use hairpins, matchsticks, or cotton buds. See a doctor immediately if hearing loss persists, severe ear pain, or discharge, or bleeding in the ear, dizziness or vertigo, child has ear blockage. Some tips to prevent the earwax blockage. Avoid using cotton buds. Clean only the outer ear. Limit the use of earphone. Use wax softening drops occasionally if prone to blockage. Remember, earwax is your ear's natural bodyguard. Treat it with respect. Wrong cleaning can do more harm than good. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel HealthMatrix, and comment if you want a video on ear drops, ear pain, or hearing loss. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and take care of your ears.